Hello, my name is Kingston. I am 7 years old, and today I'm going to talk about the life stages of a plant. So, the first stage is when somebody plants a seed on the ground. When you plant seed on the ground, there's something in the seed which needs water and nutrients. The thing in the seed is called an embryo. So the embryo needs water and nutrients. You can call the embryo a baby plant if you want. When the embryo has water and nutrients, the the second stage is when it grows roots. Is when the plant grows roots to look for more water and nutrients for the baby plant called an embryo. So, so the third stage is when the seed has done its job. When the seed did its job, then it goes up and it breaks. It breaks in half. The seed, the seed turns into parts of the soil. So the plant is supposed to look after itself on its own. So since the plant is looking at for itself all on its own, then it has to collect water and nutrients for itself. When it collects water and nutrients, it goes to the fourth stage.
Really?
Yes, the fourth stage is when the plant grows more. It gets more leaves.
Okay.
Well, the roots spread bigger. Since the roots spread it bigger, it can collect more water and nutrients.
Oh,
When it collects enough water and nutrients to go to the fifth stage, that's where it grows the flower head.
wow.
The flower head is very beautiful and is the most greatest part of the plant. The middle of the flower head has some seeds you can collect and put into the ground again.
Mm,
So let me show you a little example.
okay.
So with tissues, with tissues,
Okay. We're going, okay.
with tissues, I made this I made this thing. This is the seed. It's the seed. This is the this is the stem. The stem. This 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 is the roots. This is
Wow.
the leaf.
Wow.
And this is the flower. The flower. The flower. So if you want, to make one yourself, it's really easy. Just get some pieces of tissue and shape it like this.
Okay.
So 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 let me tell you the parts. This is the seed for the first and second stage. So when the seed breaks up, the stem comes in handy and the plant looks after itself on its own. So since it's looking after itself on its own, the plant has to collect water and nutrients. The water and nutrients go to the leaves and the stem, and this process is called photosynthesis.
Whoa.
A way the plant gets its food. So since the plant got its food, it's fully grew, and there are some seeds you can collect, and then plant again, and then it will make another flower like this one.
Hmm.
So if you're ever looking to make a plant, then this is the perfect strategy. So this is the seed I put away before. Now let's Put it again. So since we put it again, the seeds can't crash because there's something protecting it, and that is a layer. It's called the seed coat. It protects the outer layer of the seed, and always in a baby plant, which you can also call an embryo, inside the seed.
Hmm.
So after So since the embryo is inside the seed needs to take very big care of our of our of the seed. Like like sunlight is not the only thing we need for a plant to grow. We need water, nutrients, and sunlight for the plant to grow.
Hmm.
You can only give the plant water and sunlight because the plant will collect nutrients on its own.
Hmm.
So since the plant collects nutrients on its own, seeds cannot. So since the plant collects nutrients on its own, let me tell you something I used to think when I was 4 and 3 years old.
Really?
Yes, one day I was eating a watermelon. I swallowed a seed and thoughts that a watermelon tree was going to grow in my body, but it actually didn't. It never grew.
Really?
Yes, it never grew.
You thought it's gonna grow inside of you?
Just like this on the TV.
Oh my gosh.
That's a literal watermelon.
Is that the end of your practical?
I guess so.
Wow, thank you.
Bye.